Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the prime factors of number 78 using the prime factorization method. In this method we divide number by prime numbers and find the factors of the number. So I'm going to write first few prime numbers here on the right hand side of the board so that it is easy for us to find the prime factorization of 78. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, all these are prime numbers. And as you know that prime numbers are numbers which are divisible by number 1 and the number itself. The lowest prime number is 2. So we'll start by dividing 78. As 78 is an even number, we can divide it by the first prime number 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 is remainder. This becomes 18. 2 times 9 is 18. 39 is an odd number. Let's divide it by number 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. Now we have 13 and 13 is a prime number. It is only divisible by number 13. So 13 times 1 is 13. So the prime factors of 78 are 2 times 3 times 13. These are all the prime factors of number 78. So this is how we can find the prime factors of 78 using the prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.